Here we're going to solve a triangle using a combination of the law of cosines and the law of sines. So here we're given some information. We're given two sides and the included angle. So this is a side angle side case, which we have to approach using the law of cosines. We can't use the law of sines because we don't have an angle and its opposite side. So we must use the law of cosines. And the law of cosines that we want to use here is the one that relates side A, which is our unknown side here, with the angle A. So that's going to be the form a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc times the cosine of A. And notice we know side B, we know side C, and we know A. So we can plug in, and when we evaluate all of this, we find that this is 40.4788 approximately. I kept some extra digits because I'm about to take the square root. So A is approximately the square root of 40.4788, and that comes out to be approximately 6.36. Now, as another example, we're given the three sides of a triangle, and we're supposed to find all of the angles. Those are the unknowns in this triangle. So again, side, 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 we have to use the law of cosines to start. So let's begin by finding angle B. Angle B will be the biggest angle because it's the angle opposite the biggest side, and that will help us avoid any possible confusion with the law of sines and the ambiguous case. So we'll start by finding angle B, and so to do that we use the law of cosines, which relates b squared with its angle. So b squared equals a squared plus c squared minus 2ac times the cosine of angle B. So again, we know A, B, and C, so we can solve this to find cosine of B. So we find cosine of B is a squared plus c squared minus b squared all over 2ac. And when we plug in the values we know, right, we know that side A is 7, and side C is 4, and side B is 8. And when we compute all of that, we get that this is approximately 0.018. So from that, we can find that B is the inverse cosine of 0.018, and that comes out to be about 89 degrees. So now we found B.